This is Land Bank Fund Transfer. How to send money to third-party land bank account online for free. And if you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. First, go to landbank.com. Then under dito sa iAccess, itong retail internet banking, click this button, log in here. Then you will be redirected to www.lbpiaccess.com. Then log in with your iAccess ID and password. Kung wala ka pang online account sa Land Bank, you can click this link, Enroll Now, para makapag-register ka. We have a step-by-step guide on how to do this. You may click the I button here to check that video. And also, we posted the link at the end of this video. And once logged in, dito sa kanan, click Fund Transfer. For step 1, choose an account to debit. Tick this source account. Then for step 2, choose an account to credit. Dito yung paglilipatan ng pera. You have 4 options. Since yung paglilipatan ko ng pera is hindi ko pa na-enroll or hindi ko pa na-register dito sa Land Bank before, ang pipiliin ko is the third option, which is transfer to anyone. Pero kung na-enroll mo na dati yung account, yung second option dapat yung piliin mo. Wala pa kaming video on how to enroll third-party account dito sa Land Bank. Let us know if you're interested and we will create a video on how to enroll third-party account dito sa Land Bank online. So going back, ito na nga yung pinili ko, transfer to anyone. Then enter the account number. Then for step 3, enter the amount you wish to transfer. So I'll enter here 1,700. Wala tong charges. So free talaga yung online fund transfer pag Land Bank to another Land Bank account. Magkakaroon lang to ng charge kung mag-transfer ka to other banks like BPI, BDO, or PS Bank. So for example, kung via InstaPay, 25 pesos yung charge. Kung PesoNet naman, 15 pesos siya. Again, this is from Land Bank to other banks like BPI, BDO. If you are interested to know more about this, let us know by commenting below and we will create a video for you. So, ibalik ko to sa transfer to anyone and 0 na ulit yung charge. For step 4, select transfer type. So, I'll pick transfer immediately. And for step 5, OTP sending options. This is for security purposes, lalo na kung magka-transfer ka to other Land Bank account or to other local bank. Pwedeng through SMS or email. So, I'll pick SMS, yung text, and click next. Then I got an error. A minimum of 100 pesos should remain with your deposit account. So, hindi pala pwedeng maging less than 100 yung laman ng account pag nag-transfer. So, kailangan kong bawasan yung inilipat ko. Ang laman ng ATM ko ngayon is 1,774. So, dapat ang ilipat ko lang is 1,674 para may matira na 100 pesos. Then, click Next. And I need to wait for the SMS and enter here the OTP or the one-time PIN. Then, click Confirm. Then, OK. And here's the confirmation na nakapag-transfer na tayo. Ito yung transaction reference number and also other details and the sequence number. You have an option to print this. Importante na ma-save mo yung details, especially itong transaction reference number and the sequence number. Magagamit mo to in case hindi mag-reflect yung pera sa kabilang account kung saan ka nag-transfer ng pera. Which is, iti-check ko ngayon. Yung pinaglipatan ko ng pera sa account na kapatid ko yon and pinadala niya sa akin tong image na to na proof na nag-reflect na sa account niya yung tin-transfer kong pera. So, na-process yung fund transfer within the same day lang. Hassle-free and hindi ko na kailangan pumunta ng bangko at pumila para lang mag-withdraw and mag-deposit sa ibang account. And that's it. Naging successful naman yung pag-transfer from land bank to another land bank account. Sana nakatulong tong video na to, and make sure to click the subscribe button below para maging updated ka sa videos namin. And these are other videos about land bank and also videos on how to invest or grow your money online. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye.